drop ship from Shein to Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to drop ship from your Shein account to your Amazon account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Shein account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credential. And once you're logged in into your Shein account, all you have to do in order to use the drop shipping option to your Amazon account, just simply hover your cursor over the customer service center from the top right hand side of the screen, and just simply click on it. And after that the Shein live support chat will open up for you, and after that on the chat bar just simply type that you want to use drop shipping option in your Shein account for the Amazon, and just simply enter the text, and after that just click on enter. And after that the Shein customer support will reach out to you and help you regarding the concern that you're facing regarding drop shipping from your Shein account to your Amazon account. Just click on I want to cooperate with Shein, and after that just simply click on contact agent, and after that the Shein will raise a ticket for you, and it will let you know when the agent is available for you to talk. And once the agent is available to talk to you, just simply tell them that you want to use Shein drop shipping option to use in your Amazon account, and they will help you regarding the same. And after that just simply follow the on-screen instructions that will be provided by the Shein customer chat agent, and after that you will be able to do it quite easily. So that's how you will be able to use drop shipping from Shein to your Amazon account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.